third one which I want to actually highlight is called as a Manychat.com. Manychat.com is one of my best as well as Facebook marketing messenger bot. So it's a Facebook messenger bot. It gives you a monitoring your Facebook messages from your business for your Facebook page, which will obviously auto respond to those comments or on your page. For an example, if you have a lot of the comments on your Facebook and a lot of engagement happening on your Facebook page, you can actually link your Facebook page and then Autobot which replies to your all messages. The Manychat bot will auto reply to those messages, and 24/7 bot replies to your customers. So I'm sure that even if you are sleeping, those messages will be going. Now it's boost your acquisition, because as soon as if I go onto your Facebook page, if I'm engaging late night, if I'm outside of the country, there is a time difference, I'm on to the Facebook page and I reply as soon as possible, it is quite evident that I will fall into and I will be acquired by the technique. I will go into the lean growth hacking marketing funnel. We call it as a growth hacking funnel. So if you're sleeping, if you're away from your smartphone, or you cannot reply, if you're busy, at that time bot replies to your customer. The customer acquisition happens 24/7 without your presence. So let's have a look at the little bit more about the Manychat. It's a powerful tool for automation on Facebook Messenger. So let's you automate 24/7. So what are all the things involved in it? So let's you can create your Facebook Messenger bot with the help of Manychat. Go ahead and sign up today. So Facebook messaging board for marketing, sales and support. It is easy, it's free, so you can create your account, and then once you connected your Facebook page, as I said before, that you need to connect to your Facebook page with Manychat and just sign up. And now once you go to the pricing list, it's free account, as you can create it with unlimited broadcast. Is something that likely to send emails the same way as you broadcast your email. The Manychat allows you to broadcast the messages. Okay, broadcast is something that you send a message. Now you can sending a message to those people who have been using, and all you have been acquired with the help of a bot which replies onto the broadcast. You can even hold the mouse and you can check it what exactly this broadcast is all about. You can check out the details about what is broadcast. So I will take you one example here. If you have a blog, okay, you have created one blog and you already have a subscriber list into your Manychat, okay, just like having an email list in a Mailchimp. Once you have a subscriber list, one click you can broadcast to that whole blog what you have created to that subscription list, and it broadcasts directly on the Facebook Messenger. And then once they click, they can read and generate an acquisition or a subscriber to that channel. So you can send all your subscriber at a once, and it's actually a good technique because the messages are more powerful and more valuable than email marketing, because the open rates are too high. So people will read your message first, then on emails. The second is that you can actually send a sequence. That means over a period of a time you can set auto responder message. You can send to those who want you to send or broadcast to the particular target audience. You can set it. The broadcast tool is free, included on a Facebook, as it automates your process and reply it. Okay, someone visit to your Facebook page and you will see a bot say click get started, and you can showcase your services, product, and it allows you to give your insights about your business, and if it is an autopilot, and actually use for promotions as well as for blogs. Any company nowadays, every company is registered on Facebook. So I believe that Facebook Messenger bot is a more powerful growth hacking tool, and it's one of my favorite. I use it to get in touch with the customer for lean marketing funnel, or what I have presented in front of you, which is really helpful. I hope you would like to actually try it out today. So go ahead and sign up today. There are 5 steps you want to actually practice on that, how this acquisition works. Okay, this is the great growth hacking lean marketing funnel case study, and I want you to get more insight about it, and which can help you to understand more insights about the 5 stages. I will see you in the next video. Till then, see you, take care, bye for now.